When you're just IQcodec, welcome back to this new tutorial video. So what are we seeing here today? In the video today, I'm going to be talking about 2 new WhatsApp features that you never knew existed. So I bet that you never knew these features existed. So if you want to know what I'm talking about, we meet after the video introduction. Let me show you these 2 new incredible features about WhatsApp. Back to the video tutorial. I am Fabrice, I'm IQcodec, your YouTuber, and I'm going to be the instructor of the day. So WhatsApp is one of the most used app in the world for simple messaging because of its easy interface. So today we talk about 2 latest release features that you never knew existed, even though they were there, but I bet you never knew these features existed. So the first feature we're going to talk about, and a little remark, this video is going to be very quick, so please don't tune or don't forward it because I'm going to be really fast about these 2 features. The first feature I'm going to be talking about is the one of sending videos. So let me show you what you would normally do. Example, you want to send a video to somebody. If I tap on this icon, let me say I'll select a video. So let me show you the normal procedure, how we usually send video to. So I'm going to select a video. Let's say I want to send a video like this. If you select this video, okay, so you notice when I want to send a video, see what is going to happen from here. If you check at what I'm looking, you will see there's a little icon here of the. So if I play this, you hear there's a sound in the video, okay, but if I press this icon, it's what happens, the sound goes off. Okay, so this is a new feature. You can now mute a video before sending through WhatsApp. So this feature was not yet available a while ago, but now it is possible to mute a video before sending it through WhatsApp. So if you press on the mute, you unmute and you mute. Okay, so that's one of the new features I bet you never knew. And please, if you knew this feature, just comment it out and I'm going to be happy to chill out with you. And the next feature, this one, I'm ready to bet that you don't know about this feature. Now in WhatsApp, it is possible to send images without actually affecting the image quality. So we all know when to share a video, an image through WhatsApp, the quality always drops down. There's a new fix for this problem. So now to send images via WhatsApp, don't worry. If you want to send high quality images, so this is what you just need to do on your phone. So you click on this 3 dot, you go on settings. When you're on settings, you go on storage and data. So on storage and data, just scroll down. You're going to see a new place called media upload quality. So if you tap here, you're going to see that best quality photos are larger and can take longer. So you can see auto is set to auto by default. So auto is WhatsApp that actually chooses for you, and WhatsApp will always choose the data safe mode, so you're going to reduce the quality. So now if you want to send your images without any quality affectation, you're going to go for best quality. So it's true, it's going to take a little bit of time, but if you have a good internet connection, this is not going to be a problem. So once you select this, that is all. You click on the OK. Now you're going to be sending images at high quality, so any image you share through WhatsApp is not going to be affected, and I'll show you. So that is the end of this video, I bet. So let me know if these 2 features will surprise you or you knew about it in the comment section. We meet in our next video tutorial, and please, if you have any question or any review or any suggestion for our next video tutorial, please drop in the comment section. And I'm very grateful for you for actually making 5,000 subscribers very soon, and we're going to get the IQcodec family to 5,000 subscribers. So great thanks to you following us from any part of the country you are from, and I love you, because IQcodec is nothing without you. We meet in our next video tutorial. It's Fabrice from IQcodec. Ciao.